Narrated by Abu Huraira. While the Prophet ﷺ was saying something in the gathering, a Badoon came and asked him, when would the hour doomsday takes place? Allah's Apostle continued his talk. So some people said that Allah's Apostle had heard the question but did not like what the Badoon had asked. Some of them said that Allah's Apostle had not heard it. When the Prophet finished his speech, he said, where is the questioner who inquired about the doomsday hour? The Badoon said, I am here, O Allah's Apostle. Then the Prophet ﷺ said, when honesty is lost, then wait for the hour doomsday. The Badoon said, how will that be lost? The Prophet ﷺ said, when the power or authority comes in the hand of unfit person, then wait for the hour doomsday. Hadith number 59, Sahih Bukhari.